Welcome, in front of me is the Oppo A52, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. Now to get started, we will need to open up Settings, and from here scroll down till you see Storage, which looks like it might be an additional settings. There we go, Storage. Scroll down and you should see your SD card. Tap on it, and from here you should have the Format SD card option. Tap on it. It will give you that message that all data on the SD card will be erased. Tap on Format. Now, if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do. And from here, it gives you another message that all data on the SD card will be erased. This operation cannot be undone. Continue. What it basically says that any kind of photos, videos, or anything that you have placed on that card will be completely removed. So if you want to keep it, you might want to back it up. If you have done it or don't want to, then tap on Format SD card. Now this process is fairly quick and it's almost done, I assume. There we go. Once it's finished, simply tap on OK and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.